What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log out Autosnipe.Ai. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So in this case, how do we exactly log out here? Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to your Autosnipe.ai account here. And from here on, what we need to do is we just need to access the necessary settings. So from the official UI here for Autosnipe.ai, at the top right, you should be able to see a person icon on it. So go ahead and click on it and you should be able to see a few things. So you have trading wallet, refer and earn, trading history, settings. But what you're looking for exactly here is going to be the logout button. So by the way, if you try accessing settings here, you won't see much here. So generally speaking, it's just going to be under your profile here. So what you need to do is just click on the logout button here, and that should log you out. As you can see, we've already logged out. Our wallet is no longer connected, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.